Autodesk Maya, also known as My Autodesk Maya, is a powerful and efficient computer program used for creating animation graphics. Autodesk Maya is similar to Autodesk Maya Lite, but the software is in fact 4 different programs in one: the desktop application, the drag and drop interface, the editor, and the visual design tool. It is also worth noting that this application has been available as a free download since 2021. Autodesk Incorporated is the publisher of the program, and they are currently working on an update for the program. The program can be used both offline and online. It does not require any downloads, nor does it require a monthly fee to be active. The website of Autodesk Maya can be reached and browsed via the internet browser, whereas the desktop version can be accessed by clicking the Start button on the computer keyboard. The application allows quick experimentation with the model in the renderable format, which can then be manipulated and changed to match the final rendering. This is one of the features which makes the application very useful for game development. It provides many pre-designed scenes with many items and characters that have been prototyped in 3D technology and which are ready to be used. This makes it possible for complete art creation in just one shot and makes the process of animation production faster. Autodesk Maya is also useful for video production and is a good alternative to other computer graphics programs for rendering and editing of animations.